Hello everyone, and in this video I will guide you how you can find transit and routing number on TD Bank application. So first of all, you just need to start by choosing your account. On the main home screen of TD app, you just need to click on my account button, and from the drop down you just gonna need to click on banking, and once you click on the banking you will have your accounts. So you just need to click on the account in which your funds will going to be directly deposit. After that you just need to click on the summary button. This will going to be on your account screen, so you just need to click on the summary, and then you just need to click on the activity and select the option of direct deposit information and click on this view button. Now this will gonna show you your transit number, your bank name, and your account number, and also your institution number. So all of your details will going to be on your direct deposit form. So you just need to access and see all of that. If you want to share it, you just need to scroll down and click on this get form. This will gonna download a PDF of your direct deposit form, including all of your deposit number, account number, and personal information detail that you can send to your family or any client that you want to receive the money from.